looking for a great fish taco recipe? I've got one coming at you right now. Hey guys, I'm Judy the Orange Huntress, and welcome back to my channel where we bring the hunt home and the wild inside. Today I'm going to share with you my fish taco recipe. Our friend Jordan brought us some pike from when he went spearfishing at Lovren Lake. I thought I'd whip up some fish tacos and share them with you guys. They are amazing. Spicy, a little bit tangy, but so quick and easy to enjoy. The recipe and full details will be found in the description down below, with purple onion and cilantro both being optional. So let's get started. So I've got my fillet of pike, or jack it's also known as. It's a nice lean white fish. I've rinsed this and patted it dry, so now I'm gonna make up my seasoning for my fish. I'm going to use 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This stuff really has a bite, so a little bit goes a long way. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm just going to eyeball it because I've got the grinder. You mix it all together. And that's what we come out with. So I'm gonna take my fish, generously season it, pat it in, and do both sides like this. If you were going to cook this in your oven, then you can cook it 350, and before you put it in, you can coat it with olive oil and then season it, but I'm gonna fry it in my pan, so I'm gonna do the olive oil in the pan. That's what it looks like. Pretty easy, pretty simple. So I'm heating up my non-stick pan, about medium temperature, and putting in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Now that my olive oil is heated up, it's nice and shiny, I'm gonna put my fish on. And that's a good sound. Once this starts to get white around the edges, then I'll flip it over. It shouldn't take that long at all. About 2 minutes or so. You flip it over and you do the same. Take it off, let it rest. This is looking pretty great. I'm gonna flip it over. Then I'm gonna take a little dollop of butter and place it right on top. A little butter makes everything a little better. You know it's done when you can pull it apart and it's pretty nice and flaky. Yeah, this is ready. So I'm just gonna pop this on the plate. Look at that beauty. Now on to the sauce. For the sauce, you're gonna need 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/3 cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of lime juice. You just have to have it because it is the best part. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, if you really like it spicy, you can add some sriracha. We really don't. If my husband wants it, he can put more on after. It looks a little bit soupy. You could put it in one of those squirt bottles. This stuff smells amazing. I will put this in my fridge and let it sit. I'm gonna come and dice up my tomatoes, avocado, and my cabbage, along with my feta cheese. I have some melted-ish butter that I am going to spread onto either side of my tortilla. And then I'm going to pop it in my pan that I'm heating up over medium heat. Sizzly, it'll start to bubble a bit. Flip it over and do the other side. Now it's time to assemble. Such great flavors, such great crunch. This is a delicious way to enjoy your catch all season long. Fish tacos for the win. Thanks again, Jordan, for bringing us this pike. We are in love with every bite. If you want to see more content like this, or hunting, or DIY with wild things, then click that subscribe button. And if you like this video, click the like button. I'll catch you next Wednesday, guys.